Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. Here is the quick simple review of the pet care find. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Upgraded extra large box size. This XXX-Large storage box measures 17.3 foot, L*13, W*13, H inner size, 44 by 33 by 33. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Worth every penny, not flimsy plastic made. Made of highly transparent and super sturdy acrylic and PET material. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Magnetic door and stackable design. Magnetic side opening door, stackable design. Our shoe display case can. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are pet-friendly, easy care, and daily use. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. One buyer summed it up well, saying it great boxes, easy to build. My simple verdict: the pet care find looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.